Are you thinking of buying a second home or an investment property on Pensacola Beach? Well, today I am going to tour a 2-bedroom, 2-bath at Portofino on Pensacola Beach. And there are 5 towers, and each tower has its own pool. And there is also a fitness center, a spa, and also a water park for the kids, and bike rentals, and it just has a lot of the resort amenities. If this is something you are interested in, all of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's go check out this condo. Okay, we're gonna go into the 2-bedroom at the Portofino on Pensacola Beach, Florida. As we come in, we walk into the foyer, which is right in the kitchen, and does have the granite countertops, under cabinet lighting, new dishwasher, microwave, stove, and refrigerator. All the black stainless steel. Tile backsplash. At the Portofino, there is, each tower does have its own pool, and there are also 2 additional pools. Here is the half bath. Does have a single vanity. It is right at the entrance at the foyer, right off the kitchen. The dining room has a built-in cabinets with the above cabinet lighting and also under cabinet lighting, and also a wine fridge. There's crown molding through the whole unit. And in the living room, you have straight views of the Gulf of America. We'll take a walk out there. Views of the Gulf. We got the tennis courts. This is the tower's pool. There are 50 additional parking spaces under the trellis. Each tower does have its own additional parking, and in a 2-bedroom, you do have one covered parking in the garage. There are 4 parking levels under the tower, and then 17 floors of living. Down to the west, there is Pensacola Beach, and off to the east is the National Seashore, and that will take you to Navarre Beach. We are close to Pensacola, Gulf breeze. So we come back into the living room. It's a view of the living room, dining room, kitchen. And now we will go into the main bedroom. This is all tile. The whole unit has tile. The main bedroom does have the crown molding, the high ceilings, the tile flooring. It also has an access again to the covered balcony. We can take a walk out again to the covered balcony. Great views of the Gulf of America. So we'll go into the main bathroom. There are 2 separate closets. They do have the closet organizers in them. And we'll go into the main bathroom. Has the granite countertops with the tile backsplash, double vanities, a jetted tub with the crown molding in here as well, and the separate water closet, and a tile shower. The tile does go all the way to the ceiling and come back out of the main bedroom, and we're going to cross the living room, dining room, kitchen area to bedroom number 2. The laundry closet is by bedroom number 2. Those are new washer and dryer. Bedroom 2 also has the tile with a beautiful view of the Gulf of America. We have a closet with the wire shelving in it. Bedroom 2 also has a separate access to the balcony. More views again of the Gulf of America. Bedroom 2 also has the crown molding. Ceiling to floor windows, no obstruction in your view. And there is bathroom number 3. It does have a single vanity, and the tub shower is a tile shower with the tile up to the ceiling. So Portofino does offer the umbrella and chair rentals. Across the street, there is a walkway across the street. You can rent the chairs and umbrellas for the day. There are bike rentals, paddle boards, kayaks. If this is something that you are considering, all of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment.